Condolence message to the family and friends of Dorcas Wangari Muhehu. I salute and pay tribute to Mama Dorcas Wangari Muhehu. Throughout her life, she dedicated herself to passionately serve her community and family tirelessly. I salute her for her courage and role in the fight for freedom to ensure Kenya got her independence. That she raised 11 children on her own underlines and exemplifies her personal sacrifice and hard work. Her strict and focused parenting gave us Bishop J.J. of the Priesthood Fellowship Church, a great bishop who is not only our friend, but a bold and admirable voice on the pulpit, who through his deep and inspiring sermons has continued to mentor many young people, families, and the nation. Mama Dorcas Wangari leaves behind many lessons for us to emulate and a legacy full of stories to tell many generations after us. Let us be comforted by scripture, Psalms 34 verses 18. The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. To family and friends, I pray that you will be comforted and your hearts be filled with peace. Poleni sana, signed this morning by His Excellency William Samoei Ruto, PhD, CGH, President of the Republic of Kenya. Asanteni sana. Thank you very much.